What is up, RC drivers? Today we are doing our first review on Cam's RCs, and the first review is about the CRAZE Galloping Animals 5. Disclaimer, this is my first drifting RC car, so I am not an expert whatsoever. Right out the box, you get the car itself, the controller, and you get rubber wheels. Right now it has plastic wheels on. Rubber wheels help with the speed, and it has extra body clips and nails in there. Under the body, this is what you get. You have to, under here there is a battery, which I will show you right now. Here's the battery. I am not sure how powerful it is, but it goes under there. It comes with a charger. Also, it is not too easy to get this back on. You have to push it in there, push this in, and then screw a nail into there to make sure it's secure. Controller is pretty simple. There's the on and off button, the steering wheel to control it, and the throttle. Alright, that's enough talking. Let's get to driving this baby. Driving with the plastic wheels, by the way. Quick disclaimer, this car is loud. So, if you don't like loud noises, turn the volume down. The steering is good on it, and it also glides very well, kind of like ice skating. It doesn't go too fast, but it is not meant to. And as I've said, it is loud, so if you don't want a loud car, this might not be for you. When you push the throttle, lights come on. When you reverse, back lights come on. It is very nice. And it was $47. I bought this one from Amazon, but you could probably get it from other websites and ones exactly like this. But yeah, okay, that is it for the review on the CRAZE Galloping Animals 5. It is a pretty nice car for the price. And make sure to like and subscribe, turn all notifications on, and I will be making more reviews shortly. Have a nice day.